Hi guys, in this session I will show you how if and VLOOKUP will result in the same manner. So let's see what these functions will do in Excel. Few points we have know already might be, but what I come up with the example and using all these three functions and having the same result. How it could be happen? Let's see with the examples. Now see, here we have a list of two columns, student and score, and have to find out the result of their grade as per the conditions given here. If their scores in between 0 to 50, then F. If in between 50 to 60, then E, and so on. So I have to find out the score as per the scores we have here, and we have to find out the grade as per the scores, and but keeping in mind we have a conditions how much scores will fall under which grade. You have to put in just in this column. So I am using first time using if function, then I will show you using if function, then I will show you using VLOOKUP. How will these three different functions will have the same result? Now you know better that if is able to find your result using multiple conditions. If also doing the same. But what is the difference between them? You will see once I run the formula. And VLOOKUP, you also know that looking vertically value as per the lookup value. So let's see with the examples. So I'm going to using nested ifs here. So if my this B3 sales value is less than this one, then my result would be this. If this sales value is less than this score, and my result would be this one. In the same manner, for the next cells, otherwise this. Now I have defined as per the criteria given here. Now drag all those. Now you can check anything manually. I am picking 88 and 88 is in between 80 to 90, and since 88 in between, hence the B value is the correct result, because once 88 head to 90 it becomes A. Now I am going to use if function. Now write if my value is this. If this is less than this, then result would be this. If same value is less than, then result would be this. If same value is less than, result would be this. If same value is less than, result would be this. If same value less than this, otherwise this. If B3 is greater than this one, then this one. Now VLOOKUP, my lookup value is this, and my lookup array is this. Fix this one, looking value from the second column, and now hit true only, because in this way true will work. Now you have all the result. You can check if anything different. I'm going to check first this equal this. If anything is different, we'll have the false result. We don't have any false here. Now again going to check VLOOKUP versus if. I don't have any false value here, meaning have the same result using all these three functions. So you have seen what if will do, if will use if and if will use multiple condition, or you can say everything use multiple condition. Every functions if and will look up all these three functions using the multiple conditions and giving the value just closest to the your lookup value. How if and if formula get different, and which one is easy to use one? Which formula I am going to use, and which one is easy to use for me? I am going to write all these three different formula which I have used here. You can see in the first three column, you can see I have used if nested if functions. Here one if, then second if, third if, fourth if, fifth if, meaning every time I have to define if function. That makes a very hectic type. Now, now from the D column we have used if function, where you can see there is no if in between the formula, only a single if as a header. So if is better than using if, nested if. Now the third VLOOKUP is much easier. Only use true in place of false we have what we have been using for exact value. But here there is no exact value because these are in the round figure and we have some different amount from the round figure. That's why we have used true, because no value will get exact, only 70 or only 70 number will get as a C. Otherwise everything is different. So that's why we are using true. If we have approximate value, then we have to use true. So in my opinion, if you are going to use nested if or if function, I will advise you use if functions. And once you get experience using Excel, then you will have VLOOKUP functions as per your experience, because your experience will tell you this way is much easier than what we have been using since a long time. Thanks for watching.